No, she wants the
This is the Jen and Joe cooking show. Jen, yes, we're live.
Hi!
You wanted to film this.
Here. Where's your peanut butter?
Her peanut butter thing's in here. Joe, come get her peanut butter thing. Oh, is that a peanut butter one?
Not really, but I know how to get her to chew it. I don't know why she won't chew this thing. Usually she destroys these things.
Okay. Ooh. And this will be hi. This is the one and only Antonio 29 is coming at your life from my kitchen. We're gonna do a cooking show, me and my sister.
I'm cooking.
Yeah.
So people won't die.
Oh yeah. This is gonna go on YouTube.
I know.
I'm gonna beat your butt. You hear that?
Okay.
Oh no. What does he want now?
Corn and green beans, steak, and mashed potatoes.
We might need to time.
He probably wants it to go somewhere. It's usually how it is.
He doesn't need to ask when I'm here.
I got Carol till 7, and then I'll have company over here for SmackDown.
I'm sure everybody knows how to peel and dice potatoes. So, we will get back to you when it's time to make the steaks. Have fun.
Joseph.